All right, as usual, we have my mom back with us today, Diane Hunter, representing those Callaways.
And everybody knows those Callaways are our favorite real estate company, and they're very well-known, great reputation. One of the things I wanted to talk about just a second today is how people should go to their website.
Yeah, that's true.
And take a look at all of the listings. They have a marvelous selection. And so even though you're going to tell us about a home, there's lots of them on there. So if you don't see
lots to choose
this one,
from.
if this isn't right for you, go to their website, thosecallaways.com.
Okay, and I have this really amazing home that it's in Phoenix, and it's Camelback Canyon Estates. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, just over 3,400 square feet. It's got an oversized 2-car garage with built-in storage. They have a new AC unit. Beautiful views of the Camelback Mountains, which is just incredible. They have a sizable master suite with a soak-in tub, walk-in closet, dual sinks. They even have the cozy 2-way fireplace that goes into the living room, family room. The kitchen has the white cabinets with all the glass. They have the glass tile range backsplash. I know, there is just so much. They have a huge bonus room that has dual private entrances and a wall of built-ins. And then they have the dive pool and the separate spa, brand new pool decking, and all this.
Something for everybody.
I know, and it's $950,000. And for this area, that really is, with all the views and everything you get with it. So people need to check this out.
They should check that out.
All right. Well, thank you for being here, Mother.
Thanks, honey.